Yo, YouTube fam, what is up? So, another tool that we use for our live streams is alerts. So, many of you have your favorite live streamers have these alerts that come up on the screen whenever you have a subscriber that joins. So, you want to recognize that subscriber, or in your case, maybe a donation happens on. You can configure a donation stream, and you want to alert and thank the people that are joining as subscribers of your channel or have donated. So this particular tool on Streamlabs using the Alertbox does just that. So in our case, we'll step through what's necessary to go ahead and live stream alerts of subscribers as they come in. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So log into streamlabs.com. Using your YouTube account, and we've mentioned this before, but don't be concerned. Streamlabs does not use your credentials to jump in and delete your videos or look at your revenue, etc. If you are monetized, they're really they're a stand-up operation. They're looking for supporting users and creators with tools. So don't hesitate to go ahead and jump in there, but do your due diligence. We're comfortable using it because we've been using it for some time now. Once you log in, you'll go ahead and click Alertbox, and we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to set up the subscribers. So you can go to the subscribers section down here once you click Alertbox, and the sample is right down here. This is what's configured currently. It'll just show this message every time there's a subscriber, right? So they'll go ahead and be called out by their name and just subscribe. This is by default. You can change the graphic here to something else. You can just go ahead. They've got a few different options. You can go change media and look for other options. All files under stock files here, images. So if you wanted to change this out to another animated GIF or I think animated GIFs are supported. So you can pick, or PNGs as well. So you could pick one of the ones, or if you have your own custom one, you can go and upload it. We'll just leave it as default here. And basically there's some parameters. If you wanted to change the font style, you can change it, the colors. You can do some things over here to make it your own if you'd like. But in our case, we'll just go and keep it default. And then you can go ahead and just copy this URL. We'll uncheck everything, but just keep subscribers. So you can copy the URL, and once that URL is pasted into, in our case, OBS, it will go ahead and show this particular graphic every time a subscriber comes. And we can go ahead and test that. So in OBS, you'll want to go ahead and jump in here and create a new source. It's a browser, and sorry for the matrix here, but this is how we can use this. Note, we'll just call that. And you can go ahead and paste the source here and click OK. And now we can go ahead and, so long as this is made visible, right? Let's move this down here so we could see it a little better. Every time a subscriber joins in, right, you should get a notification. So we'll jump in here and click test subscriber, and you hear the ding, and there's your graphic. So you can do audio as well. And yeah, that's a quick little tutorial on how to add subscriber alerts to your live streams. So you can be just as cool as everybody else who uses this. Hope this helps. Have a good one. Bye.